it's Shannon. I cannot believe I'm saying this, but I'm going to Disney World. Let me give you a little bit of a background story before I show you all the cool stuff that I'm going to be taking with me to Disney World. First of all, I am 33 years old. I haven't never been to Disney World before, or Disneyland for that matter. We've been to Florida, I've been to Universal Studios, but Disney World is big on my bucket list, and it took 33 years, but I'm finally going, and I am so excited. So I'm not going by myself. My mother is actually going to be going with me. We're actually going to Florida to visit some family, and it's just going to be a mother-daughter trip, just me and my mom, and they are only about a 2-hour drive from Disney World, and we're actually going on for my mom's birthday. So we're going for a week-long vacation in Florida for my mom's birthday, and I said to my mom, "Can I take you to Disney World for your birthday?" Well, she was like, "No way, it's so expensive, don't want to do that." And I was like, "Don't worry about it, let's just go, let's go have fun." So that is what we are doing. Now, mind you, we are not going with kids. We don't need a stroller, we don't need a diaper bag, we don't need backpacks. We really don't need to take a lot because it's just gonna be me and her. I ended up buying, me and my mom, these running belts. Of course, people are gonna be like, "Those are fanny packs." Well, yeah, I guess technically they are, but these are made for runners, and they're supposed to be more breathable, and they're smaller and more compact, and that was kind of what I was going for. Just something we could wear around, we wouldn't really notice, because we really don't need to take a whole lot of things with us. So I will link these in the description box below if you're interested in ordering these. I got these off Amazon, and they were very, very inexpensive. Let me show you what I have in here. And the first thing you see here, this is actually a little water pouch. You can put a little water bottle in here, and we may do that. I may grab us those mini water bottles to take into the park with us, but right now I have a little bottle of hand sanitizer in there. There's also a little pocket here on this side that closes, and right now I have a thing of chapstick. I'm addicted to chapstick. I have to have chapstick. Just one of those things. So I bought us brand new chapsticks to go with us, and I actually think I'll be putting my debit card and ID in there because it's nice and secure, and it's not a pouch that'll get opened a lot. So that's what's going in there. And then here in the middle there's a zipper pouch, and inside here I've packed it with a poncho because we are going rain or shine. We're gonna go have fun one way or the other. I also have a little pack of gum for, you know, you get hungry and you're waiting in line maybe, and this will kind of curb that hunger a little bit and freshen up your breath if you need to. I also packed just a small beef stick or beef jerky that fits right in there, just a little snack. You never know, if you're waiting in a long line and you get hungry and you don't feel real well, a little snack might help. The last thing I have in there is moleskin, which is for your feet, kind of like a Band-Aid, but it's got extra padding and cushion because we're gonna be walking around a lot. So I bought a big roll of this, and then I just cut it up. So I put some in her pouch and some in my pouch, and that way if our feet get tired or start getting blisters or something, we have a little remedy for that. So besides some sunscreen, that is the only things I'm packing to go with, you know, of course the money and the ID that I'll be putting in there. But I want to know from you guys, if you guys have been to Disney World or Disneyland or any big theme park for that matter, what would be something else that would be useful and helpful for us to bring with us that would actually fit in here and not something we would have to carry around, because I'm sure I'm missing something, I'm sure I'm forgetting something that was probably something we'd want to take. So leave me a comment down below. Is there something that we should pack to go with us? So I also wanted to share with you guys what I will be wearing for our day at Disney. Of course, I've got my mouse ears. I feel like that's a staple. I ordered these off Amazon, and I will link that in the description box as well. So if you'd like to order these, they're kind of sequins or glittery, and they were really inexpensive too. I bought two, one for my mom, one for me, and they were like $6 or $7 for the set. So really inexpensive, because I've heard they're pretty pricey when you get to the park. And And then this is the cute shirt that I made. I saw this on Pinterest and I already had this like Raglan shirt and I'm like, oh, I can just throw on some HTV on here and voila, I will have that shirt. So I did design this, but I saw the idea on Pinterest that says, I'm done adulting, let's go to Disney. And that is exactly what we're gonna do. We're just gonna be kids again for a day, just me and my mom. So that with the ears. And then I'll just wear shorts or capris depending on the weather. And then I picked up some of these. These are actually Airwalks, they're not Converse. I was looking at Converse. However, they were much more pricey. I found these at Payless for only $15 on sale. So I've been wearing them the last few days to kind of break them in because I know it's a big no-no to be wearing brand new shoes to Disney World because we will be doing lots of walking, I understand that. I did buy the inserts, the gel comfort insoles to kind of help, and I've been wearing them to break them in. So that's what I'm wearing, and that's what we are bringing along with us. And please let me know if there's something I'm missing that we absolutely should be bringing with us. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, head over to my Instagram account. I will be doing snaps or whatever they're called over there on Instagram, the Insta stories, so you guys can kind of follow us along on our day. I know I haven't really done any of those stories for a really long time, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to kind of get back into that. So head over to my Instagram account. You can find me at TheDailyDIYer. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I will be doing another video coming up on our day at Disney, and make sure you hit the bell so that you don't miss those videos when they go live. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys!